Here, welcome to all my dear students. In the last lecture, we had seen digitization of records, utility of digitization, feasibility of digitization, and advantages of digitization of records. Today, we are going to learn form design, objectives of form design, and types of form design. So let's start with the new topic, form design. Form design. Form is a piece of paper containing the information with blank spaces and additional information to be used clerical operations of the organization. This form is having specific fill-in. It is already contained in the form is known as fix. The information will be filled in the form is known as variable data. This meaning of form design is in a big business enterprise, several documents like letterheads, bills order, forms, invoices, etc. They have to be used every day. The writing the whole matter again and again, printed form are used. The form are existence and utilization of office information. This form provide the best available means for recording and transmitting information. They should remain the constant, and various cases form are the fixed data. Definition of form. According to Littlefield, a form is a piece of paper with fixed data with the provision of blank space for variable data. The form is printed of paper which provide the space for records, information and instructions to the other individual departments. Information is constant in advance can be made a standard part of the form. The necessary field is only the information that the various transactions and the information are specifically standard positions on the form and they uncertainty and saving time. Objectives of form design. The various objectives of forms design. The first is clarity about information. To make clear which information must be gathered and communicated. Second is elimination of repetitive information. It is need for a copying standard or the repetitive information. Next is multiple copies. Facilitate use by multiple copies, often the greatly simplifying procedures as the result. Thereafter next point is identifying records. These records are facilitate filing for the future references in the office. Next is specific location. To provide it the specific location for each item of information needed. This data entry processing and references. For example, the purchase orders, requisition, debit notes, invoices, account sales, etc. Their ready-made forms help the employees to collect the data without much difficulty. The time required to perform a work and reduce the energy of the employee is saved. The applications of printed form have becomes essential part to the office procedure. This required information is alone the received and stipulate the supplied. This is the irrelevant and unnecessary. This information is held up and misrepresented. So these were the various objectives of form design. In this slide, now we will discuss types of form design. The first is classification on the basis of function and purpose. The forms can be classified on the basis of function. For the example, college start and first college admission form is prescribed for a specific purpose. This purpose being admission to college. Second is the sales form are the prescribed for the specific function. The function are to record the sales. Thereafter next point is external contract forms and internal forms. The forms are prescribed to be used the uses of service. For example, the college admission form and the form are prescribed for only internal use. The statistical information is to be gathered in the various departments of the organization in the specific forms. And the last types of form design is single copy forms or the multi-copy forms. The single copy form is prescribed in the some specific cases. For example, the railway reservation form are the single copy forms. The some cases use of duplicate or triplicate forms are necessary. For example, a school leaving certificate is prepared in duplicate. The first copy is given to student and while the other copy is retained as office copy. The traveling tickets inspector prepare the receipt in triplicate. The copy given to the passenger. The copy form use a carbon is copying. At such much time is saved. Computers have resolved the problems of having multi-copy of the single documents. So these were the various types of form design. Thank you.